Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the graphs in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your videos that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that new project option, and now you have to select one of your videos that you would like to edit. I'm going to show you in this one, and now on the bottom of the screen you should see the edit option. Click on it and now scroll to the right until you see the adjust option, and now you have to scroll to the right as well and you should see the graphs option. And now you have to select one of these four colors, or of course you can set it for all the four colors: white, red, green and blue. And by moving this line here you can change this setting, and when you are done just click on that arrow option on the right. Or if you go back and you want just to reset all your settings, then just click on the reset button, and here it shows you that it will reset all the adjustment made to your clip. Click on the confirm and it's back to the original. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.